Today we will see the numerical based on series magnetic circuit in the different form. Okay. As I discussed in the class that when the air gap is provided in an iron ring, then in some cases you are supposed to add this length of air gap with the given length of iron ring, or in some cases you are supposed to subtract that air gap length from the given length of iron ring. Okay. So now this is the second type of numerical. The previous numerical we have seen in which we have added the length of air gap with the given length of iron ring. Now in this numerical, just see the statement. An iron ring of mean length 60 cm has an air gap of 1 mm. I'll repeat the statement. An iron ring of mean length 60 cm has an air gap of 1 mm. It means the mean length of iron ring of 60 cm includes the 1 mm length of air gap. So 60 cm length of iron ring is including that 1 mm air gap. It means when we want to find out the length of iron ring, that is Li, this will be equal to the total length of iron ring minus the length of air gap. Okay. Now see the next part. And a winding of 200 turns. If the relative permeability of iron is 300, find the flux density when a current of 1 ampere flows through it. Okay. So the given ring is in this form. Okay. So it is having the mean length of 60 cm. The mean length means the complete circumference of the diameter. That is the mean diameter, or that length of that mean diameter of that ring. Okay, mean diameter means the center line. Okay, so center line length of that particular ring is 60 cm, and that 60 cm ring length, okay, includes the 1 mm air gap. So the net iron length, if you want to find out, then net iron length, that is the iron length of a ring, okay, will be equal to 0.6 meter. 0.6 meter means 60 centimeter into 10 raised to minus 2. The length is given in centimeter, so we are supposed to convert in meter. So 60 into 10 raised to minus 2, it will be 0.6. 0.6 minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. Why 1 into 10 raised to minus 3? Because it is given in mm. So 1 mm will be equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So we have to subtract the air gap length from the total length of iron ring to get the net iron length. Okay. So Li will be equal to 0.6 minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay. The next data is N200. Then the mu r, that is the relative permeability of iron, is 300. I equal to 1 ampere. So we are supposed to find out flux density B. Now to find out flux density B, we are going to use the relation B is equal to phi by A, where phi is equal to, now just see, phi is equal to what? It's a flux which is equal to mmf divided by total reluctance. Now total reluctance of this particular figure or particular this ring, we want to find out. So here the ring consists of, first part is the iron and second is the air gap. So to find out total reluctance, we are supposed to add the reluctance of iron path and the reluctance of the gap. Okay. So the reluctance of the iron path, that is SI, will be equal to what? Li divided by mu 0 into mu r of iron, that is mu ri into A, and reluctance of a gap will be equal to Lg, that is length of gap, divided by mu 0 into A. Mu r of air is equal to 1, so there is no need to take mu r value over here. So mu 0 into 1 into A will be equal to mu 0 A only. Okay. The numerator part, that is mmf, is equal to Ni. So we have taken N into I over here. Now put the value N into I divided by, we have taken 1 upon mu 0 A parameter common. So we have taken out of the bracket. So 1 upon mu 0 A will come in the numerator with the multiplication form. So the ratio is N into I into mu 0 into A divided by Li divided by mu Ri plus Lg. Now phi by A, This 5 by A, how we got? 5 is the LHS, okay. Here A, which is in the numerator part, we have taken to the LHS. So while going from RHS to LHS, that A was in multiplication, so A will come in the denominator part of A. So 5 by A will be equal to N into I into mu 0 divided by Li divided by mu Ri plus Hg. Now this ratio 5 by A is nothing but what? That is the flux density B. So this ratio is nothing but flux density B, which is equal to N200 I1 mu 0 4.2 10 to minus 7 divided by the length of IN is 0.6 minus 1 into 10 to minus 3 divided by the mu Ri, that is 300 plus 1 into 10 to minus 3. So we are getting the value 5 by A is equal to 2512 into 10 to minus 7 divided by 3 into 10 to minus 3. So the final value B plus density, which is the ratio of 5 by A. So B is equal to 5 by A is equal to 0.083733 Tesla or Weber per meter square. So in this example, we have subtracted the length of air gap from the total length or the mean length of iron ring. So this you supposed to identify very accurately when to subtract air gap from the given length and when to add. When the statement is the iron ring has mean length of 60 centimeter and air gap of 1 mm, then you supposed to add it. But if the statement is if the iron ring of mean length 60 centimeter has an air gap of 1 mm, then you supposed to consider that this 60 centimeter has an air gap of 1 mm, means this 60 centimeter includes the air gap of 1 mm. So you need to subtract that 1 mm from 60 centimeter to find out the net length of iron ring. Okay, I hope you all understood clearly. Thank you.